I hope you're pleased with yourselves. Alice invited us all here in honor of all copyright protections can bring to us the ability to gain from your own creativity and protect it from any intrusions from imposters. And you enjoy her hospitality and thank her with her death. Okay. I see everyone here has been involved in some predicament or another relating to an intellectual property issue brought up by Alice. And by everyone. I mean, even those who have been keeping silent. Yeah. You too may feel the world is a better place without Alice in it. I mean, look at these nice posters you've made to represent these characters. Did you own the original images you used? Did you pay to use them? Check what the copyright owner said about how to use them. Did you find them on Creative Commons? I'm seeing lots of heads shaking, or at least none nodding. Did you at least use them fairly? What was the purpose for using these pictures? Entertainment? Did you give commentary on the image? Oh, it's educational, you say. How so? What did you learn by using this particular image in place of any of the others free in public domain? You know, just because you find something freely posted online doesn't mean you're free to use it, copy it, or change it however you want. And just because you use it during a school class or for an assignment doesn't mean any use of it is fair educational use. I feel like we need to take a little time now to look into our copyright considerations a little deeper. Find out about these trademark, fair use, royalty, and copyright questions and cases. Then regroup and see if we can figure out who was right and who was wrong about their copyright cases. Let's do that. I'll see you when you've discovered a bit more.